City Council, and for those of you who were newly elected and those who retained your seats as well, I hope that we are going to have a harmonious association.
Your name,
That
sir?
being said, I'm Chagret Doss. I am also a veteran, and I appreciate your service, sir. And I'm here to speak about my public records request for the clarity of the attorney to my immediate left and for the the attorney who may be listening. My request has gone unfulfilled, and I've been here twice, and I normally watch these things from afar. But apparently you all need to see me directly. The $10,600 bill is not reflective of what was told to me when the city's mayor's bodyguard falsely accused me of perjury in 2017. The case number is 2017 CF 9089 for anybody's clarity. I asked for the public records because I'm doing some other work, and you all have yet to fulfill it, despite the fact that I paid the Tampa Police Department monies for a couple of specific documents. Now, how it came out to be $10,600 is beyond me. But for you all's sake, I've actually printed out, and I apologize to the one person I forgot, 6 copies of what was told to me during the prosecution before the case was dismissed. They said they'd given me everything. And at the time, I had a 101-page police report, or general offense report, prepared by Detective Michael Victor, under the supervision of Detective Pat Kennedy, who I know are both retired right now. Now, what I'm expecting you all to do, and this would be also my official notice of my intent to bring an action against the city for withholding this information, because it shouldn't be that difficult to give me something that you supposedly already had. Now, the case was dismissed in my favor, as you know, because I'm still here and not in a Florida State prison serving a 5-year sentence.
Thank God for that.
So, again, the general offense report number was supposed to be 2017-194123, and give me a little variance, I forgot my glasses. And it was approved in 2017 in June when the case was brought to my attention. It was dismissed on January 16th, 2018 before a judge that the Florida Supreme Court sent in from another jurisdiction because I had to disqualify at least 4 13th Judicial Circuit judges to get some form of justice. Again, the original report was 101 pages. The criminal report affidavit, which I think I have as well, was a few pages, and we'll deal with that in the proper venue. But for you all's edification, I expect somebody very soon to give me the documents that I lawfully requested pursuant to Article 1, Section 24 of the Florida Constitution. You owe me anyway. And with that being said, I appreciate your time and your audience. I'm passing it over to your city's legal staff. You all have a great day.
Thank you very much. Chief Bennett, can we help this gentleman? Have you spoken to this gentleman? Is there anything that we can do?
Mr. Chairman, before we begin,
Yes, sir.
I just want to remind you of Rule 4J. Council should avoid any discussion of matters at a public meeting where the city is or is likely to be a party in litigation without the concurrence of council. And I would advise you to be able to seek that concurrence before you have this discussion, in light of what's been said.
Thank you very much.
So I guess you're directing it to the city council, not me directly, correct, sir?
To the gentleman.
You all have a great day.
Good morning, Council. John Bennett, Chief of Staff. I was actually pulling out my card to give to the gentleman to work through this until the term action was said, and then I kind of recoiled. So I appreciate Mr. Shelby bringing that up, but I'm more than happy if that was not the issue to work with the gentleman to fulfill his request.
And Mr. Chairman, I would just remind council to please, based on what's been said, do not engage in a dialogue without the concurrence of the city attorney's office in this matter.
And you may recall Ms. Richardson addressed you about this matter several meetings ago. So if this is a legal matter, I would not get any correspondence with this person at the podium. We'll address it.
Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Next speaker, yes, sir.